Lake Tahoe Cabins by ROCKETT design in INCLINE Village, Crystal Bay, United States. The Lake Tahoe Cabins is comprised of 3 discrete structures that traverse the rugged and complex Crystal Bay shoreline. Each cabin is strategically arranged around the site's elemental intricacies with distinct connections to the Tahoe landscape and lakefront below. The individual structures are linked by a glazed bridge whose footprint kinks precisely around a mass of prehistoric Sierra granite. The unique arrangement of cabins creates recreational alcoves before approaching the lake. On the second level, the great room and kitchen expand the entire east-facing facade. Adjacent, snuggled against the hillside, an intimate deck and lawn offer refuge from the cabin's expansive entertainment area. On the lake-facing side, the great room spills into an equally grand balcony with breathtaking views. At the lowest level, a fire pit, oversized hot tub and staircase lead to a pier that extends beyond the water's edge.